In this video, we are going to learn about modern physics. In modern physics, generally we have three chapters. Those are dual nature of matter and radiations, nuclear physics, and atomic physics. So, let's take the first one, that is dual nature of matter and radiations. Before going to this topic, we must know light. What is light? And how the light behaves as? A light is in the form of particle or wave. So, light has dual nature, that is particle nature and wave nature. So, when we take a light source, this is nothing but a torchlight. When we take torchlight as a light source, from this light source we are getting light in the form of energy. But here we are taking it as a particle. Here we are taking it as a particle. Let's take one more torchlight. From this torchlight we are getting light in the form of wave. So light has dual nature, that is particle nature and wave nature. What is the proof that light is a particle? And what is the proof that light is a wave? We say that we actually have three experiments. Those are photoelectric effect, Crompton effect, and black body radiation. These are the strong proofs that light behaves as a particle. And what are the proofs that light behaves as a wave? We have generally Young's double slit experiment and interference, and the next one is diffraction also. So, when we take light as a particle, then only photoelectric effect, Crompton effect, and black body radiation is proved. When we take light as a wave, then only Young's double slit experiment, interference, and diffraction is proved. So, these guys have these strong proof that light has a particle nature. Similarly, these guys have these strong proofs that light behaves as a wave. So, that's why light has dual nature. Light has dual nature. So, it depends upon the light that is interacting with. Only it depends upon what light is interacting with. This is the important point we need to remember when we take light as a particle or when we take light as a wave. It depends upon the light, what light is interacting with.